Greetings, Bruce Kingsley here. I thought it might be fun for Halloween to show my latest scene I added to my model railroad based off the Alfred Hitchcock movie Psycho. As we walk up to the house, you'll notice some custom 3D printed parts such as the urns. The house itself, which is predominantly plastic, has been detailed using etched brass details for the railings, as well as additional custom 3D printed parts and laser cut details. I weathered the plastic using predominantly oils, which I think gave it a convincing old weathered wood look. What makes this house really unique is what's inside. It's equipped with an animated mother, different lighting effects for the house and the motel, as well as a speaker that's all driven by an Arduino board that plays the Psycho story. So let's visit this house at nighttime and see and hear what happens when you drive to the wrong side of the railroad track to visit this motel.